Alright, what's up guys? This is it. Starting of a new day. My 1 month challenge. Oh, I still gotta weigh myself. I don't even know how much I weigh. Babe, how much do I weigh?
I don't know.
There's a lot of downplays.
Alright, so we are in the snacks. No, just kidding. We're over here because we're trying to get some. See that? Heart healthy. Alright, trying to get some nuts. So this is it, man. This is the diet and eggs. So wish me luck. The reason why I'm whispering is because just got out of church and I'm shopping. Not just playing. So here we go. Day 1. Waking up at 5 in the morning to go running. So this is it, man. This is it. Wish me luck. Peace. Oh, look at my clothes. Shoot, I'm dressed up like I'm going to church. She's dressed up like she's going to church. Huh, babe?
Yep.
So, you know, we all dressed up like we're going to church. Oh, yeah.